Good day everyone. For today's video, we are going to discuss geometric sequence. A geometric progression is also known as geometric sequence. In the field of mathematics, geometric sequence is a series of numbers. Geometric sequence is a sequence of non-zero numbers where each terms after the first is found. By multiplying the previous one by a fixed, the non-zero number, it is called the common ratio. In geometric sequence, the formula is a sub n is equal to a sub 1 multiplied by r raised to the power of n minus 1, where a sub n is nth term, a sub 1 is first term, n is term position or term number, r is the common ratio. And now we need to find the fifth term and 10th terms of geometric sequence, determined by a1 is 7 and the common ratio is 2. So we need to use the formula of a sub n is equal to a sub 1 multiplied by r raised to the power of n minus 1. A sub n is equal to a sub 1 multiplied by r raised to the power of n minus 1. A sub 5 is equal to 7 multiplied by 2 raised to the power of 5 minus 1. A sub 5 is equal to 7 multiplied by 2 raised to the power of 4. A sub 5 is equal to 7 multiplied by 16. A sub 5 is equal to 112, which is the result. A sub n is equal to a sub 1 multiplied by r raised to the power of n minus 1. A sub 10 is equal to 7 multiplied by 2 raised to the power of 10 minus 1. A sub 10 is equal to 7 multiplied by 2 raised to the power of a sub 10 is equal to 7 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 2. Sub 10 is equal to 3,584, which is the result.
Finding the nth term if only two terms were given. Finding the common ratio and finding a sub 1. So we have here two terms were given. So first is a sub 2 equals 5 and a sub 3 equals 25. In order to find a sub 1, we need to find first the common ratio, which is r is the ratio equals a sub 3 over a sub 2, and r equals 25 over 5, and the answer it will be the ratio, which is r equals 5. After we got the common ratio, let's find a sub 1. So we have here a solution. A sub n equals a sub 1, which is the first missing term, times r raised to n minus 1. So we need to transpose a sub n to our second term, which is a sub 2 equals a sub 1 times r raised to n minus 1. So 5 with the value of our second term, which is a sub 2 equals a sub 1 times 5 raised to 2 minus 1. So 5 equals a sub 1 times 5 raised to 1. So 5 equals 5 a sub 1. Divide both sides of 5 to cancel out the same value. So 5 a sub 1 over 5 with the answer of 1 equals a sub 1 or a sub 1 equals 1. And let's solve our third terms, which is a sub n equals a sub 1 times r raised to n minus 1. So our third term is a sub 3 equals a sub 1 times r raised to n minus 1. So the value of our third term is 25 equals a sub 1 times 5 raised to 3 minus 1. So 25 equals a sub 1 times 5 raised to 2. So 25 equals 25 a sub 1. So we need to divide both sides of 25 to cancel out the same value. So 25 a sub 1 over 25 with the answer of 1 equals a sub 1 or a sub 1 equals 1. After we got the value of a sub 1, let's find the summation of the given sequence. So formula of the summation a sub n equals a sub 1 times 1 minus r raised to n over 1 minus r. So the value of our first term equals a sub 1 equals 1 and a sub 2 equals 25 and the ratio equals 5 and the nth number equals 3. A sub 3 equals 1 times 1 minus 3 raised to 3. Why raised to 3? Because we have 3 terms. First terms is a sub 1, a sub 2, and a sub 3. So a sub 3 equals 1 times 1 minus 125. A sub 3 equals 1 times 124. So a sub 3 equals negative 124 over negative 4. And the answer, it will be a sub 3 equals 31.